Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Baymont by Wyndham Decatur. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. This hotel in Decatur, Illinois, is a 5-minute drive to Hickory Point Mall and Hickory Point Golf Course. The hotel features a continental breakfast, business center, and a gym. The Decatur Baymont has guest laundry services on site and free weekday newspapers in the lobby. Free Wi-Fi is available throughout the property and pets are welcome. Each room at Baymont Inn Decatur features cable TV with HBO and free local calls. A large work desk and in-room coffee maker is also provided. Millikin University is a 15-minute drive from the Baymont Inn and Suites Decatur. Guests can visit the Kirkland Galleries and Fine Arts Center in the Scovill Zoo, which are both a 20-minute drive from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.